today I will be unboxing Yeti microphone. I waited for one day to open because the COVID germ. This is the box that came in the mail, and I'm going to open it using the scissor. Here you go. This is the box. My Apple. This is Yeti box. Yeah, I will be open it up and show you what's inside. 10th anniversary year of Yeti, its celebration. I got it in blue. Yes, everything has to be about color. I love color. You can see at the back there's there's a lot of introduction. I'm probably gonna keep the box for a while and make sure I don't miss anything, because yeah, I know there's a lot of YouTube video about how you use it. Here there is a nice introduction of what each button does. Tear off the box. Okay. Gee, how you open? Oh, I can drag this out. And remember to keep the box because it might come in handy. Microphone, my God. I bought this Yeti microphone is because I have been using this tiny small microphone here that doesn't, well, it does record, but it's not as clear, and sometimes it doesn't cancel any background noise. Go from this to this. Look at the difference. It's like the size of this knob here. It comes with a cable. The cable is USB. It is compatible with USB to USB-C and also Apple Lightning to USB. Compatible with Windows 7, 8, and 10, and also Mac OS 10.10 or higher. I got it for $129. This one right here is mute button. This one right here is volume. This one right here is gain. This one right here is different. It has 4 different functions. 4 polar pattern selector right here. There's 2 buttons at the back of the mic. It's not very convenient. Thank you for watching.